Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a folder on notes using the notes application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the application notes, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the application notes. Open this up. And now, as you can see from the previous tutorials, we have created many different notes. In this tutorial, we are primarily focusing on new folders. How do we do that? Let's go to the bottom left corner of the screen where it says new folder. Click on this. And there we have a new folder created. Let's just name this folder 1. Return. So that's the first folder we are creating. We can also go to, let's say, File, New Folder. Let's just call this folder 2. Return. Let's go back to File, and we also have a keyboard shortcut that will allow us to create a new folder. So Shift, Command, and N, which creates another folder. Let's call this folder 3. And there we go. And then we can have notes in different folders or move notes to different folders. And that's all for another tutorial. So we can now quit notes. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now. Or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.